Hello everyone and welcome to California. So today I will show you one way to prevent your fruits from your trees of being bitten by the birds or any insects. So I've had a lot of problems with my fruits before. The moment I come to see it or pick it up, they're half eaten by the birds or uh, some insects and worms inside the fruit. So I thought about this method, this way of preventing them from eating the fruits from my fruit trees. So let's go. Jaran! So look at that. I bought this, it's a bag made from organza. These are the ordinary bags that you can buy at any craft stores or novelty stores. They use this for putting some souvenirs for their birthdays or weddings or candies, something like that. So this way, when you put it there, the birds won't be able to bite, or the insects and worms. And they're so practical and easy to put inside and take it out. So I just put in every... Oh, I missed one there. So it's like putting gifts in your trees. Look at that. And this is my side yard. Look at those. These are all fig trees. In fact, I lost two of them here. I just found them in the ground, laying down there, half eaten by I don't know what. And these are my Fuji apple. Oh. There's another one there. And some more here. And so this, I bought this at eBay for, I think it's I think these are 100 pieces, or no, I got this for 50 pieces for like $7, or I don't even remember now. So I just ordered the bigger one. These are 3 by 4. So I ordered the 5 by 7, so that when these apples get a little bigger, I'm sure they won't fit in there anymore. So I ordered the 5 by 7 inches so I can just change them when they outgrow these bags. But I think this will do, because I get a lot of insect bites from these apples. So when I open it, there are some worms inside, and which it makes it a little disgusting to eat. So I've seen this also being used with other YouTubers, so I guess this will work. Let's I will show the results when I pick them up. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming with more more topics. Okay, interesting topics. Okay, bye and see you. God bless.